Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. Rune again completely escalating here with 22% upside after it hit our support area, trend reversal area. In the last video, I suggested to you that we might see here one more low. We did get that one more low. Why was one more low likely? Because in this move to the downside of the 16th of November high, we were able to count an ABC structure complete, but one more low was actually, well, with one more low. So you can see it here, A, B, C, and then we wanted to see 5 waves in the C wave, 1, 2, 3. And I think this is where we were in the last video, 4, and the 5th wave was missing. So we did get actually all the waves we needed. Fantastic performance. And thanks for all the bulls and the bears out there who made it work, because the price hit our support or trend reversal area, and that was the area relevant for the blue count, the wave 4, which means the wave 5 to the upside, the more direct extension higher, definitely has a chance. And also for the A wave, for a B wave bounce. So the yellow count obviously could have topped and we come down deeper afterwards, but in both scenarios, a reaction was at least reasonable. Okay. Now, for anybody who's new on this channel, what is here the situation on this chart? Well, on this chart, we're obviously always looking for 5 wave structure to the upside. Rune is in an aggressive 3rd wave. Okay, maybe it's finished in the yellow count, but the blue count is not invalidated. The support area did hold. So that's actually the direct bullish escalation wave count. And in this blue wave count, obviously we completed a wave 1 down here, a wave 2, that's true for both counts. And then the 3rd wave is still ongoing and could actually take us to at least $8.21 in the blue count, possibly even higher. I would not rule out $12. As in a 3rd wave, we should then get a 4th wave and a 5th wave even higher. But to make this work and to keep this wave count alive, we need to hold the 50% retracement level. The support is still unchanged because we haven't made a new high. So it's still at $4.60. So the blue wave count's support is at $4.60. As long as that level is holding, we should be watching to, forward to a, we should be looking forward to a target around, $8, $12. It is possible, entirely possible, that the yellow wave count, wave 3 topped, that we are coming down in the yellow wave 4. But then we would still expect a wave 5 afterwards in the yellow wave count. So also this would be a bullish wave count. And I only have bullish wave counts until the price breaks below $3.14. So the bearish count is the alternative until we see a break below $3.14, because this is of the larger move, the 50% retracement level. And the bearish wave count would be very simply, an A, B, C structure with a top that was made here on the 16th of November, and a break below $3.14 would likely send us down to, well, depends. It could even then send us to bear market lows, but not necessarily. But I would say we are going to test this area around the $1.40, $1.50 level then, most certainly. But, until we break 314, we're focusing on higher, and I think it is quite probable to expect further continuation either in the blue count or the yellow count. Both counts work nicely. It's probably one of the best charts at the moment we've got out there. And yeah, how would it now confirm that it is really the blue count? Because even in the yellow count, we were watching for a bounce in a B wave. Well, it would need to break above the 16th of November high, and that is at $6.67. And if we see a break above that level, then we can watch for the price to reach the next Fibonacci extension levels. We've got $7.25, $8.21, and then $9.81, and all the way up to $12. Now, up to doesn't mean it has to finish there, but it means they are sort of the next levels to watch. It might take a few days to get there. But yeah, that's the situation for Rune, unchanged, bullish. It takes a break below $3.14 to really take a bearish perspective on Rune. And yeah, that's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. on Insta and Twitter. You can find additional content every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.